Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie. I post beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Seeing as I haven't been around for a little while yet again, I've just been loving TikToks and Insta Reels and YouTube Shorts at the moment. So if you don't catch me doing a YouTube video, you'll catch me over there. I did take a week off because I had like a lot of things going on, but should be back to uploading TikToks and stuff like that again. But today I just thought, let's just do like a fullish face of first impressions, because we don't have everything and there's a few things in my collection I haven't used. So the first thing we're going to start off with is the e.l.f. Dunkin' Do Not Forget primer. So this is like the putty primer, but it's more of like a, I don't know, it's meant to have more of a sheen to it. I haven't even like swatched it until just now. That's definitely a me kind of primer. It's very like, I don't think you can see that on camera, but yeah, because it just melts into your skin, but it has like a yellowish undertone to it. So let's try this. That should be enough. Let me get a bit more. Do have a little mirror down here. These Primark mirrors, £7 guys. Got a little light on them, and I feel like they're good if you've got a good makeup bag. You could travel with this, and it's just battery operated, which is something that I wanted. Oh, I might have got a little bit too much. Oh my god, it smells like honey. No, it smells like donuts. Yeah, like sweet popcorn from the cinema. Wow. Okay, I feel like it's given my skin a nice healthy glow. It's not done too much to it. I think it's mattified it as well, which is nice because I was very shiny. Now next we're going to try the XX Skin Tint. So this is their Skin Blur Soft Focus Skin Tint. I got the shade Tan because I went into Boots and I did the thing that my mum does, which I love to tell my mum off for, and opened it and swatched it because I needed to know if it was going to suit me. And Medium Sand is the next shade down, which is like, I feel like it's going to be my winter shade, and Tan is definitely my summer shade. Yeah, it's just in a squeezy tube. It is a tenner. How much product do you get? 23 mils. Let's just use that and kind of go in with a brush. I haven't actually seen Alex and Lucy's videos on this yet, so I'm going to watch it after. Oh, wow, it looks a bit too dark. That's the thing about swatching in the shop. The thing is, my chest, my arms are very tan, but my neck, not at all. But I'm sick and tired of looking so pale up here. But it's got that coverage to it. Alright, so it says it's a demi-matte formula fit finish. It definitely is. Like, it has dried down on my skin to like a nice, not matte, but demi-matte. So there's a bit of like your skin peeking through too. So if you don't want like a heavy foundation, this is quite a good one to go for. And it doesn't seem like it's making my skin look any oilier too. So a bit of fluff. It is a light to medium coverage. I'm not building it up anymore because I've got this peeking through, but that's fine because I've got a really high coverage powder. I actually really like the look of this on my skin, and it works really, really well with a brush, really well. You know, my R8, my trusty R8, my favourite. I've got a Milk bronzer, which I haven't used yet, which I did haul a few months ago. This is the shade Baked. It's their matte bronzer. A bit dark. Oh no. That's not too bad. I like to put a bit of bronzer down my nose, on my eyes. I'm going to use a bronzer, well, my R8, but the one that I use for bronzer. I find with sticks that you can really layer them up because they just blend into nothing sometimes, which I don't mind. That bronzer has blended beautifully. If you're my skin tone, this shade Baked is gorgeous. It's absolutely stunning. There it is. Pleasantly surprised by that. Well, I'm not surprised, but happy with that. Now, powder. I have the e.l.f. Camo Powder foundation. Now, if you've watched previous videos, you know I love to use these powder foundations as just powders. So we're going to go in. This is the shade here. I got the shade 250 Warm. This is a light 250 Warm. Just want to make sure my eyes are all blended out properly. Oh, do you know what I like? Like there's no creasing under my eyes, which I get a lot. Just want to use a blush brush for it first. Oh wow, there is coverage. Can you see how that spot is just not peeking through as much as it was before? That is crazy. It's helped to blend the foundation down my neck. My skin looks really nice. I'm pleasantly happy with this. Okay, now seeing as I have lost a lot of the bronzer, I'm going to go in with a powder bronzer. I don't have anything new, so I'm just going to use the Revolution Coffee Bronzer in Latte. I'm actually hitting pan on this because I've been using this a lot lately. See how that's just given me back my warmth and some dimension. This is a winner, I'm telling you guys. I've had it for years and I'm just about hitting pan on it. Now for blush, I have the new blush from Collection. This is not got, yeah, it's got a name, Pleasure One. This is like their NARS Orgasm dupe. Can you see that? It's got like a layer of gold glitter, which might just be in the top layer. I hate when that happens, but it looks gorgeous. Can you see that? That is stunning. Might not even need a highlighter. And I love that they have a little mirror in there. Oh, she pigmented. There's a lot of gold glitter on my cheeks, so if you don't like that, you won't like this. But you can still see the pink shining through. And then for highlight, I don't think I've used this on my channel, but I use it a lot every day. This is the Rimmel Highlight in the shade Stardust. This is the perfect gold highlight. It's #1, so I don't know what their other shades look like, but this is just stunning for me. I like to put some under my eyebrow. My hair's going crazy. There we have it. That highlight is popping. Next is lips. I do not have anything for eyebrows and mascara, so I'm just going to go in with some trusty favourites. I've got the Benefit Brow Setter, and then for my mascara, I've got the 5D Whiplash. If you're not using that mascara, you've been in like another world. But we've got the NYX lip pencil in the shade Hot Cocoa. This shade is like a berry kind of deep burgundy shade. I'm so obsessed with I can't talk. I'm so obsessed with these lip liners from NYX. That is what that shade looks like on my lips, because we're going to go in with this MUA Metamorphosis Colour Changing Lip and Cheek Oil. This is in the shade Bubble Hun, which smells like bubble gum, but like it's clear, but it changes to the pH of your skin. So we're going to try that on the lips. As you can see on my hand, it does kind of go to a similar tone as the lip liner. So these together, stunning, stunning, stunning. I'm going to go off, do my eyebrows and my mascara, and we're going to come back because I'm not doing eyeshadow. I've not been doing eyeshadow lately. It's just something that I've just stopped doing lately. I feel like really perfecting my base. So yeah, this is what I've been doing normally going out nowadays, is I just don't put any eyeshadow on. But let's do the eyebrows, do the mascara, and come back with my final thoughts. Finish. I love, love, love my skin right now. My skin looks insane. So that is the shade of that lip oil cheek thing, and then so it definitely did merge into the lip liner. It's literally the same colour but just a little bit lighter. It feels amazing. It feels like an oil slash gloss, like it's an in-between, so it doesn't feel too oily, it doesn't feel too glossy. So I'm very, very surprised by this. Like, I know I have the other, like I have all of them because they came out with 4 new shades. They have their OG and then they've added 4. I think they've got 1 more coming out. So yeah, I am very, very, very happy with this, and I believe they're about £4.50. Primer, oh my god guys, if you I'm not someone who likes the putty primer, because to be fair, I'm not someone who's on that hype. Kids to playing, sorry. But this one gives you that kind of mattifying putty primer look, but then gives you a little bit of a glow to your skin. So yeah, I'm actually really, really surprised by this. I don't even know if they still sell it, so I'm sorry if I've used it and they haven't sold it anymore, but it smells divine. It smells like donuts. It smells like donuts, and it also smells like if you're going into the cinema and you're buying popcorn, that is what it smells like. Then the skin tint I think has stolen the show because my skin looks amazing, and yeah, this is the best shade for me right now. It looks like your skin but better. Yeah, it doesn't cover up all your like blemishes, but I'm sure if you put another layer on it might do. The packaging is very like just small and petite, and it's plasticky as well, so it's a good squeezy tube. I like something like this because it's easy to throw into your bag if you want to top up throughout the day. £10 quite a nice price for it as well, and I know with XX they like to add in extra skincare benefits, which I'm not too sure what they've added in, but it looks amazing. It's got medium coverage with a natural soft finish. I love it. The demi matte finish is amazing. The Milk Makeup Bronzer Stick is amazing. It literally just blended so well into my skin. Yeah, I applied a little bit more because I feel like this would be perfect if I was pale. I wouldn't need to add another layer, but because I've got a bit of a tan, I needed to add another layer. So it's definitely multi-purpose, like for different skin tones. So I can use this pale and I can use it tan. So I'm happy that I can because it is tiny. Then the e.l.f. powder foundation. This added so much coverage to my skin. It was unreal. Like, I'm so glad I combined this with the skin tint and it worked really well together. So if you haven't got any powder foundations, I highly recommend them and to use them as a powder, because if you just need that extra layer of coverage, it's got you. So I've got another shade. I've got 240, which I think will probably be my shade when I'm a bit less tan. The blush is nice, but it's the only thing that I'm not too like go out and buy, guys, because the glitter has settled into my cheeks and into my little lines, so it doesn't look the best, to be fair. Yeah, like it's just too glittery, and I'm someone that I don't mind a bit of glitter on my skin because I like gold glitter, but yeah, it just settled into my skin not that great. But it is something I will use. It's just not something I will reach for too much, and that's from Collection, if I didn't say. Then the Rimmel Highlight. Can you go wrong with a Rimmel Highlight? This gold one is just, look at that. Just look at that. I feel like it's not even showing too much texture either, so that's nice. I use this quite a lot, so it's not something that I wouldn't recommend. This is something that I'd say if you want a gold highlight but you want something that's not too bam in your face, this is the one. Then the lip liner. I love NYX lip liners. If you haven't got one, you need one. I have about 5 at the moment. They've just brought out new shades, so I've got Hot Cocoa, I've got Cocoa, Espresso, Brown, and is it Underground the other one? No, Nutmeg. Nutmeg's the other one. I've got quite a few of them. I'm gonna do a haul now that I finish this video, so I'll show you all of them in that haul. But these lip liners are so good. They stay on for a very long time. They're easy to apply. Even though they're pencil, like, they don't scratch on your lips, and yeah, they're £4, so you can't go wrong, can you? And I feel like I'm going further and further down. This is the final look, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash a huge thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.